In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly integrate a PDF file into your Google Slides presentation by converting the PDF into an image. This process is straightforward and requires just a few simple steps to complete. Let's get started. First, let's talk about why this conversion can be useful. PDFs are excellent for maintaining formatting, but sometimes we want to incorporate content from a PDF directly into presentations for easy viewing and coherence. Transforming a PDF into an image allows you to place that content neatly within your slides, enhancing the visibility and overall flow of your presentation. To begin, you'll need to convert the PDF to an image format. There are several online tools available for this purpose, and today we're going to use a nifty website known as ilovepdf.com. Head over to your web browser and navigate to this site. You'll find that ilovepdf.com is user-friendly and doesn't require you to create an account, which makes it quick to use. Once you're on the site, look for the option to convert a PDF to an image. Usually, this feature is easy to spot on the home page or under a Tools menu. Click on it, and you'll be prompted to upload your PDF file. You can do this by either dragging and dropping your file into the upload area or by selecting it directly from your computer folder. The tool will then convert your PDF into images, typically in JPEG or PNG format, providing one image for each page of your document. Now that you've converted your PDF to images, it's time to bring them into your Google Slides presentation. Open your presentation and navigate to the slide where you'd like to add the PDF content. Head over to the menu bar at the top and click on Insert. A drop-down menu will appear, and you'll want to hover over Image. This will give you several options for image insertion. Choose Upload from Computer, which will allow you to select the image files you just created from your PDF. Select the image file that you want to insert into your slide. Once uploaded, you may wish to adjust the size and position of the image on your slide to fit the design of your presentation. You can easily do this by clicking on the image and dragging the corners to resize, or clicking and holding to move it around on the slide. And there you have it. Your PDF is now effectively inserted into your Google Slides presentation in image format. This method ensures that all details are preserved from the original document while enhancing viewer engagement with your slides. We hope this process makes your presentations more dynamic and visually appealing. Thanks for watching this quick tutorial. Make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials. And as always, happy presenting.